We're going to expand production as fast as we can.
Musk stuttered, but those words hide a revolution in motion. Right now, the production line for the 2026 Tesla Model 2 is pushing past limits every automaker thought impossible. It's running at 3,000 cars per day, welding, stamping, and assembling with precision that rivals science itself. What's inside? And is this new production line insane enough to make Tesla take over other giants? In the next few minutes, we'll address these two questions with all new specs that make this line untouchable by Ford, General Motors, or Volkswagen, and the global shockwaves this production marvel will send through the EV industry. Stay with me because every second reveals how Tesla revolutionized the industry. Hit subscribe and ring the bell because it's your front row seat to the future of EVs. 1. How are Tesla's new machines and production processes breaking every rule? Have you ever wondered how a car can move from raw steel to a finished Model 2 in record time? The answer isn't hidden in some secret Tesla vault. It's running right now in their production facilities. And the numbers are about to make every automotive engineer rethink what's physically possible. So, what new machinery is making Tesla's line unlike anything else in Detroit, Munich, or Shanghai? Start with the foundation. Tesla's enhanced gigapress now operates at 6,500 tons of clamping force, forming entire Model 2 underbodies in a single piece that eliminates 220 weld spots per vehicle. Thanks to this, the defects dropped 62%, and the frames are 32% stiffer, meaning your Model 2 handles all the back roads with structural integrity that traditional body and frame methods can't touch. This press runs at 1,150 degrees Fahrenheit using United States-sourced aluminum alloys, achieving 97% material yield compared to the industry's standard 82%. That's $750 in scrap savings per unit. And in budget-conscious Texas markets, that cost reduction flows directly to the buyer. Then there's the robotic army. Tesla deployed 850 ABB robots equipped with fast tool changers that retool in 9 seconds flat. ABB, short for ACIA Brown Boveri, is one of the 3 largest industrial robot manufacturers globally, competing directly with Fanuc from Japan and KUKA from Germany. A special feature of ABB robots at Tesla is the ability to change tools in just a few seconds. For example, a robot can weld for a few minutes, then switch to tightening bolts or checking frames automatically without human intervention. In the new production lines, these robots handle 16 different Model 2 variants per shift while targeting 1,650 units daily, which is 18% above current Model Y benchmarks. But speed means nothing without precision, which is why each robot integrates strain gauges that guarantee 99.5% bolt accuracy. That cuts alignment errors by 38%. Critical for consistent power delivery in Florida's humidity, where electrical connections face constant environmental stress. Nevada testing proved this out. Facilities using comparable precision systems logged 22% fewer service calls. Quality control happens in real time through 3D laser scanners and automated gauges that inspect every panel, seam, and joint with micron-level accuracy. When an issue appears, the system flags it instantly to upstream robotic cells. This cuts error correction time by 50% and pushes first-pass yield above 99.7%. Compare that to Ford or Volkswagen hovering around 97 to 98%. And you understand why Tesla's warranty costs stay lower while customer satisfaction climbs higher. Material flow is where Tesla truly separates from the pack. Automated guided vehicles and conveyor systems move components at 19.7 feet per second, which is nearly double the 9.8 foot-per you'll find in conventional electric vehicle plants. That velocity eliminates waiting time between assembly steps, keeping production flow continuous. What about the payoff? 3,000 Model 2 vehicles rolling off a single line every day, scaling to 960,000 cars per year per factory. That's the operational capacity already engineered into the system. Process innovations cement the advantage. Battery docking stations with hydraulic clamps reduced insertion time from 12 minutes down to 2.5 minutes. That supports 350,000 units yearly per line, exceeding Lucid's Nevada output by 15% through 94% operational uptime. Meanwhile, in-house thermoplastic molding recycles 88% of materials, slashing waste by 45 tons for every 7,000 vehicles produced. In Texas, where sustainability grants reward efficiency, owners see 12% rebates on qualifying builds, making the Model 2 cheaper to own from day one. Imagine walking through a factory where every step feels like the future is already here, where machines hum in perfect sync, robots adjusting in real time, humans freed to focus on precision rather than repetition. It's a reassurance that Tesla values quality over chaos, even at insane speeds. This isn't automation replacing craftsmanship. It's technology amplifying human capability to levels legacy manufacturers haven't figured out how to replicate. So, if you could prioritize one breakthrough in this production system, which one matters most to you as a future Model 2 owner? Type A if the Gigapress structural integrity makes you confident in long-term durability. Type B if the robotic precision and reduced service calls prove Tesla's reliability. Edge Type C if the sustainable manufacturing and cost savings show this is the smartest financial choice. Drop your letter in the comments. I'm reading every single one. But machinery and processes only tell half the story. The real question is what happens when you put all these systems together and measure them against what Ford, GM, Volkswagen, and Toyota are actually producing right now. The specs that make Tesla's production line absolutely insane compared to the giants aren't about individual components. They're about the integrated performance gap that's widening every single quarter. 2. What are the specs that make Tesla's production line absolutely insane compared to the giants? 3 core criteria in manufacturing are speed, precision, and scale. So, how does Tesla hit all 3 simultaneously, while the others struggle with just one? The answer lies in specs so aggressive they sound impossible until you see the data stacked against what Ford, Volkswagen, and General Motors are actually delivering right now. Can any other automaker match a line producing over 3,000 vehicles per day with near zero defects? The numbers say no. Tesla's Model 2 production line outputs 3,000 vehicles daily, translating to roughly 900,000 cars per year, assuming 300 working days. Ford's F-150 Lightning line manages about 1,000 per day, hitting 300,000 annually. Volkswagen's ID.4 facility reaches approximately 850 daily for 255,000 yearly. General Motors' electric vehicle operations push